Hello, this is Savita Thalor from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 HPK Salawala. I am presenting activity Make an ABC Nature Book, page number 43. So this is the activity. An A to Z of nature. Nature is all around us. What can you see from your street, your garden, or even your window? Following are the steps of the activity. Need to get your kids out of the house. Take a nature walk in your backyard or garden to find one object for every letter of the alphabet. Let us start this activity with my kids. They went out for a walk into our garden and what they saw: leaf, flower, grass, plant, tree, dog, cauliflower, beetroot. Arrange all the words in alphabetical order. Make a book using these words. Use a hole puncher to place 3 holes down the left side of each page. We can create a cover page too, such as My ABC Nature Book. My ABC Nature Book. The child can decorate according to them. Like this nature book containing all alphabets and their words they get from the nature. This is the nature book from alphabets A to Z. Thank you.